Are you facing difficulties signing up for WhatsApp, only to be greeted with an error message saying, "We couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour"? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to fix this frustrating issue and get you signed up for WhatsApp in no time. Step 1. Start by creating a Gmail account on the phone that is experiencing the sign-up problem. Having a Gmail account is essential to resolve this issue. Step 2. Uninstall any installed versions of WhatsApp, whether it's GB WhatsApp, Delta WhatsApp, or any other modified versions. Step 3. Head over to the Google Play Store and reinstall the official WhatsApp application. Step 4. Launch the WhatsApp application and go through the sign-up process again. This time, you'll receive the verification code without any delay. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can bypass the "we couldn't send an SMS to your number" error and sign up for WhatsApp hassle-free.